Hi, welcome to Go Jesse Go. Today we have a very special video for you guys because we have a Python project that me and Daddy made here.
So let's show them the code.
So here's the
Point
code.
at the code and tell them what the different parts do.
Well, I don't really know.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
So this part draws a star. This way it says draw a star. And it calculates the angle by looking at the number of points. And then this one sets the background to blue. And then it says while true, it generates random point size, color, X, Y, and then draws a star. So it'll keep drawing stars over and over and over again with random sizes, colors, and points.
But when you're in the shell, the Python shell over here, on the shell. Okay, that's the Python shell right there.
Right.
And if you're in the shell and you click Command C, then it will stop it.
Okay, let's show them the program running.
Okay, so let's start it. Tell me when to start.
Go. So we can see the little turtle drawing a star.
Yes, finally a blue. I've always wanted to see a blue star in here.
Oh, those are lots of blues.
Oh, looks like red, nice. Yellow, pretty. Blue, yeah. That looks like kind of like gold or bronze.
Yeah.
Ooh, pink, I like that.
I like
Yeah.
how you can
Yeah.
actually see the turtle zoom around.
Yeah. And now I'm going to show you how I stopped it. As you can see, it's in here. I'm going to do it when you can see one in here. Okay, one C. And I gotta wait.
No, Control C, not Command C.
Okay, so once there's one here, I'll do them.
Yep, and it stopped right in the middle.
Yep.
Okay. Really cool, Jesse.
Yep.
Okay, finish it.
So